Mm. Alright. New day. Mercies new every morning. Let's not get boring. Let's keep it going. So when you read the Bible, it might get confusing and you might feel like you're losing. But here we go, you gotta be choosing the narrow way, the path, the life, the way, the truth, Jesus. Come on, keep it moving forwards. All right, here we go. So in the Bible, so when the Son of Man came down, and we call him a lion, and he becomes a lamb, then not only that, you got the sins of man. And what's up with that? Suddenly, like that thing with ham, cheddar, cheese, on my knees. Are you gonna say please? I'm not just here to tease. I'm trying to here to pay the fees. Who's got the keys? Jesus. Never leave us. Alright, hear my voice this time. Here we go now. Got a new rhyme. Here we go. Come on, one more time. Alright. So whatever they call you, made in the image of God. Not just physically, spiritually, but mentally and everything that can be. So wake up, sleeper, come and see. Jesus is alive. Woo. Check it out. Have a good day. Everybody needs a boop. Like whoop. Like everybody needs a boop. Everybody needs a boop. Whoop. Have a blessed day. Whatever comes your way, trust in the Lord Jesus. He saves.